Okay, today I have 2015 Ford Transit. It has a bank one, sensor one, oxygen sensor code, which is a P0131, and they have the code for a throttle body, which is a B2112, and also there is a code for BCM, or is B068A, something like that. So what I did here, I replaced the bank one sensor one, which is the one right there. This is bank one sensor one, which is the passenger side, like you see. I replaced that, and also I replaced the throttle body, because this car, when you drive it, it goes to the limb mode and no acceleration or anything like that. So like you see here, the throttle bar, I don't even clean it. I just replaced it right away. I got it from AutoZone for maybe like 80 bucks, 85 bucks, something like that. I might gonna add the part number on the video. So what I did is I disconnect the battery, I replaced the oxygen sensor, then I replaced the throttle body. Then what you have to do after is reconnect the battery and just turn the car on, but don't start it, and just push the gas pedal like slowly, very slowly to the floor, then release it very slowly also up. You can do this between 1 to 3 minutes. That's what I do to program it. It should be start and go, but sometime after you drive it, just slow down, and that's what I do. This is my way. So after you replace the throttle body, you just hit the gas pedal to the floors very slowly, then release it very slowly. Then start the car like 15 to 20 minutes. Just leave it, turn the AC off, radio, everything. Just let it run for 15 to 20 minutes. Then drive it, and everything should be good. I have no codes. Yeah, first I erase the code, of course. I erase the code, then after I do all this, I drove it, and everything seems fine. No more limb mode or anything like that. That be it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thanks.